Welcome to BSF Recovery Team. We went to the parts store and we got U-bolts. So there's 1, 2, 3.
Honey, I need 4.
Yeah, I know. The 4th one is a little bit wider, see, than the other one, and they didn't have that one in stock. So we'll have to put it together with this one because it's going to be a week before they get the other U-bolt.
Do they not know I'm trying to put a truck together?
Well, yeah, they do, but that's the way it is. So we'll have to put it together with this U-bolt, even though the threads don't come all the way through the nuts, and we'll have to replace it later when we can get the other U-bolt. But we got to find another spring pad for this side.
Oh.
So should we go do that?
That means we gotta go back.
I think it's out back. I hope it's out back.
No, I know it's out back. I know what it is.
Okay, all right, we'll go get it.
All right. Have my 3.
Okay. Yes, that's it. That's what we need.
I'm gonna just take the whole thing.
Yes.
Because it's cold out here.
Yes. Okay, we need that spring pad. Yep, so you got to unbolt it from the sway bar. All right, here you go. All right, he'll want me to do it.
You do it, I will hold it.
All right.
Ow!
I thought you were going to hold it. There we go.
She's all rusty.
Yeah.
I need a polisher.
It can be rusty for now.
This is the side it goes on, right?
Yep.
All right, well, let's see if it works.
Yep.
She's so pretty. All right.
Now, you need 2 of those.
Okay. 5/8, 18, 3/4.
Yep.
This contains 1 bolt and 2 nuts.
Yes.
2 nuts.
2 nuts.
1 nut, 2 nuts. 1 bolt.
Yep. Does it fit?
Just give me a little bit of a chance. I may have to clean out a hole.
Let's see. Oh, it's a little wide. There we go. Okay.
Where do these go?
Doesn't matter.
I do that for good luck.
Is that what that's for?
Yeah.
Eventually we'll have to get this cap off and change that out with one that doesn't have an arm.
And what were you saying? Change it out with what?
Oh, eventually we'll have to change this cap out with one without an arm. It doesn't hit. It can live there forever. It just... Okay, we'll get you a socket and a wrench. Whoops.
you go.
Okay, we'll have to remember to tighten those again after we drive it around for a while.
Yep.
I gotta grind this bump off of here.
There we go.
Okay.
Other side is you.
Yeah, it's going.
There we go. Both sides are in? Yeah.
Yeah, for what little.
For now.
For now. Well, that'll hold it together for now. Oh, we gotta tighten up these spring eye bolts.
So what's next?
Well, we gotta do steering. I'm not gonna use this drag link, and we have to get a high steer arm for this knuckle. And I don't have those yet. And we gotta get shocks. Actually, I have a box of shocks. Brand new.
Why would you have a box of shocks? Oh yeah, you hold on to everything, I forgot. You hold on to everything.
They were discontinued at the tire store I worked at, so I just brought them all. They're brand new.
Okay, so wait, I don't have shock mount thingies.
We don't have shock mounts on our axle. We have to put those on. But let's figure out what we need.
Long.
Long, yes. Long. So here's our shock mount here. So we need about 26 and a half, 25 and a half, somewhere in there, depending on where we weld the shock mounts on.
I'd say
That's not a lot of
26.
room for a shock in there. We might have to get some of the inverted ones.
Inverted.
Yeah, where the shaft, it's just the shaft out the bottom and the body of the shock is up here.
Okay.
I don't know if there's any of those in that box, but we'll have to see. Are you having fun with that?
I'm trying to figure out why it goes this way. Back and forth.
It's a Heim joint, and it wobbles all over. See?
What's the purpose of it?
Well, it's a joint to connect things, but we want to use a tie rod in there.
Yeah. This looks weird.
Oh, so you brought the box of shocks up.
Yeah.
Good deal. Let's,
It's heavy.
yeah. Yeah, but let's put the mounts in first. Or at least the upper mounts. We don't have lower mounts yet.
Okay.
So we gotta bolt these in. And actually that goes from the inside. And this goes on like this. And we're missing one bolt.
Uh-oh.
That's all right.
Oh, I'll have to get another bolt.
Yeah.
Just like I need another U-bolt.
Yep.
So. You got some bolts for me down here?
Yep. Here you go.
Okay.
Okay. Go ahead and tighten these two up. Okay, this one. All right.
Okay.
Now, hand me the wrench. Grab your.
Geez, I might
Okay. That's where that needs to be.
I need to stick this on.
Yep.
Ready? Okay, open them right up. Yes, I am. Which one are we doing first?
The bottom one.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
There you go. All right, now we get to find some shocks.
They're all red and white. That's not my color.
That's not your color?
No, that was ugly.
If those fit.
No.
But there are some yellow ones. Let's see. I don't know if they fit.
But they're yellow. They have to fit.
They might not.
Yellow, yellow, come and open.
Oh, that won't work. So that was what number? Just same as that one. That was an N33. Look on the other end.
N45X.
N45 what?
X.
Okay. No, that's a stud. Okay. Well, that won't work either. There's a N71E. there's a N71E. I think we already had one of those, didn't we?
Yeah, N34.
N71E.
N45. N33. N45. And 71E.
Okay, so that's the same as that one.
Didn't I have a 34?
This one's a stud.
This is probably a stud.
This one's an N33E. Do we have one of those?
Yes. No, I have an N33.
No, that's a stud too. I
Yeah.
think all the yellow ones are studs.
No.
No? Okay. What number was that?
N34.
N70. N34.
Yeah, we already got
Okay.
these.
So we gotta take that one, take that safety thing off of it and see if we can make that one fit.
Well, that goes to it too.
I know.
I just...
It's gonna extend when take that off.
I don't know how to do it. I don't want to break it.
I don't think that's long enough. Not even close. Not even close. Sorry.
That stinks.
Well, none of the yellow ones fit. They'll fit, except, I wonder, yeah, let's turn it all the way. Okay. Well, the brake hose is gonna swing by there. We don't have a whole lot of room for that.
So what's your suggestion?
I'm not sure yet. Well, I'm gonna have to figure it out. Well, I don't know what we're gonna do for shocks yet. There's a little bit of a clearance problem on the bottom. These shocks are the right length and they will work. But I don't know how we're gonna mount them on the bottom yet. I'm gonna have to do some thinking about that.
The yellow ones would be perfect. Just saying.
Well, looks like you might get your yellow shocks after all.
Yay!
If we put the mount up here on the spring pad, that'll work.
Okay, what about the other side?
Same thing. We'll put the mount up on the spring pad. I'll have to get some bolts, nuts, washers, weld them on, but they'll work.
Okay. Sounds great.
Yep. All right. Well, that's it for tonight. It's getting late. Thanks for watching BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods.